Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the XLE package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a cool, calm, collected alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. On the front there, you have your fully automatic headlights, as well as your built-in navigation system, your backup camera, and your heated steering wheel as part of your XLE package. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. What we're going to do now is we're going to lock up your doors here, and by simply running our hand across the handle, it'll unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. As you can see, you also do have your chrome detail right on the handle there for added style. Opening it up now to take a look. A nice, clean interior. You have your black and gray trim on the side, as well as your power windows and your power locks with some storage. You also do have some convenience features like your power adjustable side mirrors, which are heated as well, and you have that heated steering wheel, which is definitely going to come in handy on those cold winter days. Your Corolla comes fitted with a full set of all-weather floor mats. You also do have a power adjustable driver's seat, so you are in the optimal position when driving. Taking a look at your stunning leather interiors, you have that white contrasting stitching with that gray trim and that black leather, adding all of that style and letting in all that light. Is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open on those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Corolla with your smart key system, put your foot on the brake and you press that push start button there. Your dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting. You're also going to see your welcome screen with your multi-information display. Right now it's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features, which with your steering wheel mounted controls, you can set distance, you can set the sensitivity, as well as your other features like your steer assist, your sway warning, and many more things that you can figure out once you do come in for your test drive. You also do have your hands-free calling, your volume control, your voice command. You do have your lane departure alert option right there, and you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can control distances and speed and set that cruise control from below. You also do have your nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated as part of your XLE package. Taking a look at your LCD screen now, you do have your CD player on top. You have your audio system here with your AM/FM radio. You also do have your Sirius XM radio, your auxiliary USB imports, and with your Bluetooth hands-free calling, you have your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Opening up your applications now, your Corolla is equipped with a navigation system, which is very easy to use and will come in handy when you finally take that road trip. Below here, you do have your modern styling for your climate control. You do have that automatic, and you have your air conditioning as well. It's a nice digital system. Below here, you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger, as well as your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary input. You have your nice leather trim on your shift knob here. Going into reverse, you can see that your backup camera does pop up on your LCD screen, and that is another key feature as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Below here, you have your traction control as well as your parking brake. You have some removable pieces with your cup holders to make it nice and easy to keep clean. In your center console, you have that top shelf for any smaller items, and below, plenty of space to store everything you need, as well as that removable mat to keep things nice and clean. You also do have your glove box over here with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. We're seeing those cool lines. You also do have that leather trim right on the top of your dashboard and those fan details that we know and love about our Toyotas. plenty of convenient features happening inside of your Corolla, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you, perfect for when you have your hands full. Taking a look at the cargo space now that's available to you in the back of your sedan. Plenty of space to store everything that you need, as well as your convertible 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items in the back. You also do have your hardcover here, which underneath you have your tools, your jack, and your spare tire in case anything does happen. You also do have your emergency release from the inside. Closing it up now. Below you have your backup camera as part of your Toyota safety sense, as well as your chrome XLE badging, your chrome tipped exhaust tip, as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with the XLE package. Built into your Corolla is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, as well as your lane departure alert to keep you riding nice and comfortably. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton at the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.